My parrot is called Zeno. I have a little dog. She's called Bonita. Whenever I call Zeno or play with Zeno, she gets jealous. And look, I'm gonna tease her now. Now she's so quiet. As you see her, she's sitting here. But where is she? But if I call Zeno, she's gonna get hyper and she's gonna get jealous. Zeno, good boy, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Good morning. But when I get closer to him, then she gets upset. Let's see. Hello, Zeno. How are you, Zeno? Look, she's coming. How are you, Zeno? Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. How are you? Here we go. When I get closer to him, she'll get really... Good morning. Good morning. Give me a kiss, Zeno. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Good boy, Zeno. Good boy. She's tired now. Okay, once I start calling him, she'll come back. Good morning, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello. She's jumping from the other side. Hello, Zeno. How are you? Cuckoo. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Good boy, Zeno? Is Zeno a good boy? Zeno is a good boy or bad boy? Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Oh my God, she's so jealous. Good boy, Zeno. And hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. There we go. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Let's see. Give me your hat. I want to scratch your hat. Oh my God, she's gonna... Look, look, look. She's killing herself. Look, look. Give me your hat. I'll scratch your hat. I'll scratch your hat. Okay, now you can go sit down now. Okay, Bonita. You can go sit down. Go sit down over there. You go sit down. Good girl. Okay, that's a good girl. Sit down. Hello, Zeno. Hello. Hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Zeno. Give me a kiss. Oh my God, she's jealous. Now quit your jealousy, Bonita. Now she disappears. I'm gonna call Zeno, she's gonna come back. Good morning, Zeno. Good morning. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh my God, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hello, Zeno. Hello. Are you tired, Bonita? She's upset and she's tired, but she doesn't give up. Once I go near the bird, she's gonna come again. Hello, Zeno. Hello, Zeno. Oh my God, look at her. Hello, Zeno. Oh my God. Give me a kiss, Zeno. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, that's enough for today. You can go now. Okay? You can go now.